My name is Jin Kang. I head technical support here at Intellian Technologies over the Americas region. Intellian's technical support is made up of 6 Intellian service and training centers across 3 continents. We focus on providing an advanced level of remote technical support that affords our customers to have the ability to diagnose and perform corrective maintenance with minimal cost and service impact. Our technical support and logistics teams are made available 24/7 for product owners and airtime providers. We have the ability to dispatch parts and personnel anywhere in the globe to service our products to keep our customers connected.
Hi, my name is Patrick Fong, and my role is a Technical Support Manager covering APAC and Oceania regions. Our latest product mainly focuses on 3 R's. Firstly, the reliability. Secondly, robust. Thirdly, resilience. Adding on for the design of complexity. All our valuable customers' feedback helps our R&D develop an optimal products as to meet the demand in maritime, land enterprise, or even government sectors.
My name is Priscilla van Dam, and I am the EMEA Fleet Service Coordinator. We, as a team, are continuously working together to exceed our customers' expectation. We work closely with all of our customers by listening and understanding their needs, making sure that we meet all their requirements and deliver to their satisfaction. Great service is what really makes Intellian stand out. After all, you're connecting with the best.
Hello, my name is Ruben and I am the Senior Technical Support Manager of Intellian in EMEA. I think our strongest point is that we understand our customer needs. We are 100% customer orientated and we use our flexibility to meet and try to exceed our customers' expectations. In order to do it, we have a strong support desk team that does the first investigation about the issue reported by our customers, and they try to fix it remotely. 80% of the cases are closed from our support desk team, but if an onboard attendance is needed, we also have a strong service network with certified Intellian engineers and service partners. Obviously, communication is also very important. We are very accessible and our customers can easily talk to the managers and the decision makers about any special question or doubt that they may have. Thank you.